Hey guys, Pedro V here coming to you with a new video. So I just wanted to point out something really quick, and it just might be a coincidence, but I don't believe in coincidences. ICE raids take place 2 weeks later after an ice hailstorm hits Mexico.
Immigration official Ken Cuccinelli saying that ICE is indeed ready to deport upwards of 1 million undocumented immigrants, or those whose cases have already been adjudicated and they're ready to be deported. There was a freak hailstorm in Mexico. It dropped about 5 feet of ice pellets yesterday north of Mexico City. Look at these images. 5 feet. 5 feet. Cars were absolutely buried. Nearly 200 homes and businesses reported damage from the hail.
Now, I believe this whole thing will eventually come down to gun owners, patriots, one day being raided, forced to relocate, and into FEMA camps. This kind of power being used by Trump will only come down to future presidents, if we even make it there. And we should all know by now, presidents aren't elected, they are selected by those who own all the resources in the world. Mandatory chipping will also come to play. That's why they're pushing for voter ID, supposedly because of the illegal immigrants. And our identification will soon be into these RFID chips. All you need is to scan and voila, everything is digital, whether you like it or not. We already have chips in our credit cards. Soon we won't even need credit cards or paper money. Just know this is all pre-planned for a bigger agenda, and these illegal immigrants aren't their main objective. It's us, the people, those who believe we have the free right in this country, those who own guns, etc. So you guys better wise up soon, because everything is happening so fast, it's hard to keep up. So with that being said, guys, have faith, remain vigilant, and God bless you all.